Adding views in Django, step-by-step guide. Hello learners. In this session, you will learn how to create and link views in Django. Views handle the logic of your web application by processing user requests, interacting with the database, and returning responses like text, JSON, or HTML. Step 1, understanding Django views. Django views are Python functions that process incoming requests, retrieve data from database, and return responses. Step 2, creating views. Follow these steps to create views in Django. Define views in /views.py file. Open views file and add the following functions. From Django.http, import HTTP response. From .models, import question. Define index, request, latest question, underscore list equal question dot objects dot order by, update, last 5, output, comma, join queue dot questions underscore text for queue in latest question list, return HTTP response output. Define details, request, comma, question underscore ID, return HTTP response. If you're looking at question ID, define results, request, comma, question ID, return HTTP response. You are looking at the results of question ID. Finally, define vote, request, comma, question ID, return HTTP response. You are voting on question ID. Define index, define detail, define request, and define vote. After we update it, we should save the changes. Index function displays the latest 5 questions. Detail function shows details for a specific question, while results displays results for a specific question. Vote handles voting for a question. Link views to URLs in urls.py. To access these views in your browser, you need to map them in the URLs. Open the urls/urls.py file and edit the following code. From Django.urls import path, from .import views, URL patterns, you open URLs file inside urls. From Django.url import path, it's already written. From import views, then URL patterns equal, we should update this part, path, init question, underscore ID, views, dot detail, name equal detail, path, init question, ID, results, names equal results, path, init question ID, vote, slash views dot vote name equal vote. After this update, we should save the changes. First path maps to the index view. Second one maps to the details view with the question ID. Third path maps to the results view, while the final path maps to the vote view. Step 3, testing the views. Once we have created the views and linked them to the URLs, test them by following these steps. Start the Django development server by running the function Python manage.py runserver. Open your browser and visit the following URLs. Pools in your local host 8000, then pools /1, pools/1/results, pools/1/vote. The question which we added, how do you do? We are looking at question 1. We are looking at results of question 1. We are voting on question 1. In summary, define views, create functions in views.py to handle requests and return responses. Second, map views to URLs. Add the URL patterns in url.py to link views to specific pages. Finally, test the views. Run the server and visit the URLs to check if everything works correctly. By following these simple steps, you will be able to create and test views in your Django project easily.